Scott, welcome to the set.
Good to be here. Thanks for having me.
Scott, I wanted to ask you about the acquisition of Data Plus Math and the whole idea of performance, attribution around television. Tell us about the acquisition, your thoughts behind it, and what the integration will look like.
Sure. Well, we have a pretty simple philosophy of product development and business development as well when we listen to our clients. And so our clients told us that the things that they were doing in programmatic display or search or any kind of data personalization, they wanted to do those same things in television. And in addition to that, they were pretty specific about who they wanted to do it with. Repeatedly we heard that Data Plus Math was a game changer. And as we started to work with them and got to know them, we realized that they were old friends. I had worked with John Hochter more than a decade ago and Matt Ames more than a decade ago at Microsoft. They have built a great team. And they have fundamentally done some really interesting things in television. And two things in particular stand out. Number one is instead of just buying on TPG, GRPs or TRPs, you can actually purchase using much more granular audience metrics. The same kind of metrics, the same kind of segmentation that can be done in any kind of display personalization, now that can be extended to television as well. And the second piece is buying on outcomes, as opposed to did someone see the ad? Well, did they actually go to a store and purchase, or did they go to a website and interact with the website? And that's good for everybody. For advertisers, obviously, that gets them closer to what they're really trying to accomplish. For publishers, it allows them to monetize their inventory more effectively, oftentimes get paid out more rapidly. And so the groundswell, the enthusiasm post the deal has been unlike anything that we've done at LiveRamp. Our pipeline's exploding, and those executives from Data Plus Math have to be the most popular people at LiveRamp right now.
And Scott, I wanted to ask you about the overall appeal and utility of the identity graph that you guys are a leader in the field, and the solution that it provides in the post-cookie world. Tell us a little bit how your business is going, how you're working with publishers and marketers in this sort of identity graph outside the walled gardens.
We live in a world of massive fragmentation, and that fragmentation is only increasing over time. Virtually every major advertiser has built their own CRM file and their own sense of identity with each of their consumers. Increasingly, we're seeing that on the major publisher side as well. They're not relying on any intermediary to provide that identity. Rather, they're going out and they're collecting first-party permission. They're doing a value exchange with their consumers. And so in a world where there are thousands of different identities, it's so important for an agnostic, neutral, seamless provider to link those all together in a permission-based way. That's what we do. And so as we see that fragmentation increasing, we think there's an even bigger opportunity for LiveRamp to help the entire industry, anyone and everyone in the industry, create value.